If you're looking for a super quick and easy sweet potato side, try this recipe from Real Simple. There's no boiling or mashing required. So you want to start with these cute little sweet potatoes if you can find them, and we'll cut them in half. And if you can't find small sweet potatoes, just buy regular ones and cut them into quarters. I'm going to put them all onto a baking sheet, and we will dress them up just a little bit with some olive oil. I'm going to give them a little toss, and then lay them flat side down. I'm going to bake these at 425 until they are golden and tender, about 20 minutes or so. While the sweet potatoes are baking, I'm going to mix together a cheesy topping. Got some Fontina cheese here and some Parmesan. This is going to make them taste so good. These are tender, and now I'm going to flip them over. I'm going to sprinkle on this cheesy goodness. I love this recipe because it's sweet and savory. We will broil this for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Oh my gosh, so cheesy and so yummy looking. For a final touch, we'll just sprinkle on a little more pepper. Serve these right away. They are quick, easy, and guaranteed to be a hit.